First, cornea. It is a transparent spherical membrane in front of eyes. Light enters the eyes through cornea. Iris. Iris is a dark-colored muscular diaphragm which has a small circular opening in its middle. The central circular aperture of iris is called pupil. The pupil appears black because no light of reflected from it. The iris regulates the amount of ice enters the light existing the size of pupil. The ice lens. The ice lens is a convex lens made of the jelly-like material. The ice lens is held in position by ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles help in changing the focal length of ice lens. Retina. The inside surface of real part of ice ball is called retina. The ice lens focuses the image of the object on the retina. The surface of retina consists about of 125 million light sensitive receptor. When light fall on this receptor, send electrical signal to the brain by optic nerve. There are two kinds of light sensitive cell on the retina. First, cone cell, second rod cell. Cone cell. These cells are sensitive to color. It is due to concept that were able to differentiate between different colors. Rod cell. These cells are sensitive to brightness, darkness, or dim light. Ciliary muscle. The curvature and hands of the focal length of the lens may be attracted by ciliary muscles, which it is attached when ciliary muscles are relaxed. The lens is become thick and its focal length increases. Contraction of ciliary muscles increases the curvature of eye lens, so the eye lens become thicker on its focal length decreases. Aqueous humor. The shape between cornea and lens is called anterior chamber, and it is filled with the watery liquid is called aqueous humor. Vitreous humor. The shape between eye lens and retina is called posterior chamber, and it is filled with jelly-like material is called vitreous humor. Optic nerve. The retina is connected with brain through the optic nerve. The sensitive or image focus of object on the retina is transmitted to brain by optic nerve. Blind spot. The junction of optic nerve and retina in the eyes, there are no light sensitive cone, rod or cone shaped. All this no vision is possible at this spot. Yellow spot. The small region saturated center of retina is the most sensitive to light, and it is called yellow spot. When we examine object very minutely, its image focus on at yellow spot of retina. Working of eyes. The light rays coming from an object situated in front of us enters the pupil of eyes and or incident on a eye lens, as eye lens is by convex lens. The light rays and produce a real and inverted image of the object on the retina. Light sensitive cells are light intensities and color of object and produce of electrical signal. This signal transmitted to the brain, the optic nerve. Power of accommodation of eyes. The normal eyes as a unique property to use see nearby as well as for of object clearly by forming their sharp image at retina. The ability of eye lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation of eye. The eyes focus a distant object. The muscles are relaxed. And think is lens. Consequently, focal length is eyes maximum and parallel from light coming from distant object. Distance object is focused at the focal point of the eyes on the retina. When light to be focused on nearby object, the ciliary muscles contact and increase the curvature of eye lens. Result of eye lens become thicker on its focal length decreases. Advantage of two eyes for vision. Although we can see, although we can see even with the single eyes, yet there are several advantages of our having two eyes instead of one. The human being has horizontal field of view of about of 150 degree with one eye, but horizontal field of view of about of 180 degree with two eyes. With one eye, the world look felt and two-dimensional. However, two eyes, the world look three-dimensional, and thus two eyes at the third dimension of depth. Myopia or nearsightedness. The person suffering with myopia can see distant object situated near the eyes clearly, but is unable to see distant object distinctly. Causes of myopia. The curvature of eye lens is result of which of focal length is of eye lens is too short. The ball is elongated. Distance between eye lens and retina is increased due to the both causes parallel from distance object distance due to the both causes of distance object and myopia. Correction of myopia. Myopia defect can be corrected by use of concave lens of suitable power. Hypermetropia or long sightedness. The person suffering with hypermetropia can see distance object comfortably and but near the eyes, but are unable to see by near object distinctly. Causes of hypermetropia. The curvature of eyes is too small, as a result of which the focal length of eye lens is too long. The eyeball is shortened. Distance between eye lens and retina is too small due to the both causes or from light rays. Correction of hypermetropia. Hypermetropia can be Hypermetropia defect can be corrected by use of convex lens of suitable power. Presbyopia. Presbyopia with gaining the person of flexibility or length of his eyes gradually goes on diminishing the ciliary muscles, also weak a result of power of accommodation of eyes. Thank you. Have a nice day.